Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Meet link. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up any browser and in the search bar, just simply search for this create Google Meet link and then simply tap on enter. Now you will see this first website here. Just simply tap on it and you will see this kind of interface. You can simply tap on this new meeting and then tap on this start an instant meeting or create a meeting for later, whatever you want. I'm going for this start an instant meeting here. Now as you can see, it's joining and now you can just allow these things here, camera and mic. And now as you can see, our meeting is start and this is our link. You can copy this link and paste it wherever you want, and you can send this to your friends or your team members to join this meeting. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create Google Meet link. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.